morning student. Today we are going to discuss chapter 15 mensuration exercise 15.3 question number 1. Question number 1 have find the height of a cuboid whose area is 180 centimeter square and its volume is 900 centimeter cube. So student, in this question we need to find the height of cuboid and its base area is given 180 centimeter square and volume of cuboid is also given 900 centimeter cube. Okay, so first we write here the volume of cuboid. What is the volume of cuboid? Obviously you can say length into breadth into height. This is volume of cuboids. But here base area is given. Area of base of a cuboid is given. What is given here? We are given area of a base. Area of base of cuboid. This is equal to area of base of cuboid is given here 180 centimeter square. This is given. Now, next, what is given? Volume of cuboid is also given. Volume of cuboid. This is equal to 900 centimeter cube. Volume of cuboid is also given here 900 centimeter cube. As you know that the volume of cuboid is equal to area of base into height. Obviously you know very well the volume of cuboid. This is equal to length into breadth into height. This is the base area. L into B is base area of the cuboid, and this is the height of the cuboid. This is clear now. So you can write here volume of cuboid is equal to as volume of cuboid. This is equal to what? This is equal to, you can say, area of base into height, or area of base, area of base into height. Area of base into height. So volume is given here, but in this question area of base is given here 180 centimeter square and volume of cuboid is also given here 900 centimeter square. We need to find height of cuboid. So you can write here height of cuboid. Height of cuboid is equal to volume of cuboid divided by area of base. Area of base of cuboid. So here volume is given 900 centimeter cube by area of base is 180 centimeter square. This is clear. So student, centimeter cube you can cancel here 0 by 0 and 18 5 the 90. Centimeter cube is you can write it centimeter into centimeter into centimeter 3 times. If divided by centimeter square, so it means that you can divide it centimeter into centimeter. So centimeter centimeter cancel, this centimeter cancel this centimeter, we get here only centimeters. This is clear. So you can write here, we get here 5 centimeter. Height of the cuboid is 5 centimeters. You can write here at last, hence the height of cuboid is 5 centimeters. This is clear. So student, I hope all of you understood this question. Now we are going to discuss second question of this exercise. What have been second question? Second question have, find the volume of cuboid whose length is 36 centimeters, breadth is 30 centimeters and height is 24 centimeters. I repeat this question again. Find the volume of cuboid whose length is 36 centimeter, breadth is 30 meter and height is 24 meters. So let's see how to find the volume of cuboid. You know very well, the volume of cuboid is equal to what? The volume of cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. So your length is given 36 centimeter, breadth is given 30 centimeters and the height is given 24 centimeters. So first we will write length of cuboid is equal to 36 centimeter. Okay, breadth of cuboid is equal to 30 centimeter. Okay, and height of cuboid, this is equal to 24 centimeter. This is clear. So volume of cuboid is equal to what? Volume of a cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. So here represent length, B represent breadth and rest represent height of the cuboid. Length, breadth, height of the cuboid is given 36 centimeter, 30 centimeter and 24 centimeters. If you multiply then we get volume of cuboid. Okay, so here put 36 centimeter, this is length, 30 centimeter, this is breadth and 24 centimeter, this is height. If you multiply this 36 into 30, so 0 here and 3 6 is 18, value 1, 3 3 is 9, 1 10. So here you can see, if you multiply 30 centimeter to 36 centimeter, you get 1080 centimeter square into 24 centimeter. Okay, so if you don't know table of 24, so you can write here 1080 into 24, so 0 8 4 is 32 and again 4 1 is 4. Clear? Now again this is cancelled, 2 into 0, 0, 2 8 जा 16 and 2 1 जा 2. This is equal to 0, 2, 9, 5, 2. So in this way you can write here 25,920 centimeter cube. 25,920 centimeter cube. So you can see here we find the volume of cuboid whose length, breadth and height are given 36 centimeter, 30 centimeter, 24 centimeter is 25,920 centimeter cube. Now, so this is a question for formula based questions. Only we need to put here the length, value of length, breadth and the height, then we get the volume of the cuboid. Now, we are going to discuss question number 3. Question number 3 have a cuboid is of dimension 60 centimeter, 54 centimeters and 30 centimeters. How many small cubes with sides 6 centimeters can be replaced in the given cuboid? I repeat this question again. A cuboid is of dimension 60 centimeter, 54 centimeter, 30 centimeters. How many small cubes with side 6 centimeters can be replaced in the given cuboid? So first we find area of cuboid. After this we find area of cube. The side of cube is given 6 centimeters. Okay, if you divide, and we need to find the number of cuboid. Okay, number of small cubes. We need to find number of small cubes. How can you find? If you divide the volume of cube by volume of small cube. Okay, if you divide volume of cuboid by a volume of small cube, then you can find the number of small cube. So let's see. So first here the dimension of cuboid is given. First we read them, after this we solve these questions. Question number 3 we are going to discuss. Dimension of this is question number 3. Dimension of cuboid is equal to, what is the dimension of cuboid? This is given 60 centimeter into 54 centimeter into 30 centimeter. So this represent length of cuboid, this represent breadth of cuboid, and this represent height of cuboid. Length is equal to 60 centimeter, breadth is equal to 54 centimeter, and the height is equal to 30 centimeter. So first we find the volume of cuboid. Okay. So you know very well how to find the volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid is equal to what? Volume of cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. So here length is given 60 centimeter, breadth is given 54 centimeter, height is given 30 centimeter. This is clear? Now the side of small cube is also given here. Side of small cube, this is given 6 centimeter. So we need to find volume of small cube. Okay, volume of a small cube. This is equal to what? We know very well. The volume of small cube is equal to side into side into side. This is equal to 6 centimeter into 6 centimeter into 6 centimeter. This is clear. But here we need to find the number of small cubes. So number of small cubes is equal to number of small cube is equal to volume of cuboid, volume of cuboid divided by volume of cube, volume of a cube. Clear? So here you can see the volume of cuboid is equal to 60 centimeter into 54 centimeter into 30 centimeter divided by 6 centimeter into 6 centimeter into 6 centimeter. So you can cancel it 10 times, cancel it 9 times, and you can also cancel it 5 times. So in this way you can see 9 times 45, 45 into 10, this is equal to what? 450. The number of small cubes is 450. So student, I hope all of you understood this question. Now we are going to discuss next question. In these questions we need to find the number of cubes who replace the given cuboid whose dimension is 60 centimeter, 54 centimeter and 30 centimeters, and the side of small cubes is given 6 centimeter. So first we find the volume of cuboid and volume of cube. When you divide the volume of cuboid by volume of small cube, then you can find the number of small cube. Okay, so here you can see you find the number of small cube is 450. This is clear. Now we are going to discuss next question. Question number 4. Question number 4 have find the height of the cylinder whose volume is 1.54 meter cube and the diameter of the base is 40 centimeters. I repeat this question again. Find the height of cylinder whose volume is 1.54 meter cube and diameter of the base is 140 centimeters. Also, if you change in meter, then you get it becomes 1.40 meter. This is diameter of the base, and volume is given here 1.54 meter cube. And if you find the radius, you know very well, radius is equal to diameter by 2. So R is equal to 140 by 2. This is 70 centimeters, or you can say 0.70 meters. Now, and in previous video we already discussed volume of cylinders. So what is the volume of cylinder? Obviously, you can say volume of cylinder is pi r square h. What is h? H is the height of cylinder. We need to find it. And what is r? R is the radius. And what is the value of pi? Value of pi is 22 by 7. So let's see how to solve these questions. Okay. Now first we then after this we solve the question number 4. In this question number 4 we have what we have. This is given the volume of cylinder. This is question number 4. Volume of cylinder is given here 1.54 meter cube and the base diameter. So you can write here diameter. Diameter is equal to 140 centimeter. If you change it meter, then you get 1.40 meter. We need to find radius. So in our way, R is equal to D by 2, diameter by 2. So radius of cylinder, this is equal to what? 1.40 by 2 meter. This is equal to 0.70 meter. This is clear? So student, you can see here, we find the radius of the cylinder. Okay. Now, and then this is the relation between diameter and the radius of the cylinders. Okay. So, you know formula of cylinder, volume of cylinder, you know very well. Now, volume of cylinder, this is equal to pi r square h. Okay. So value of pi is 22 by 7. Okay. And r is here 0.70 meters. This is clear. And the volume is also given here 1.54 meter cube. This is 22 by 7 and radius is 0.7 into 0.7 into h. Clear? So you can cancel it by 7. Then you obtain 0.1. Okay. Now, so here we have 1.54 meter cube is equal to, we have multiply them 22 into 0.1, this is equal to 2.2, 2.2 into 0.7, this is equal to 1.54 meter square. This is equal to 1.54 meter square into h. Here we need to find the value of h. H is the height of cylinder. So h is equal to, you can write 1.54 meter cube by 1.54 meter square. This implies that h is equal to 1 meter. This implies that h is equal to 1 meter. This is clear? So student, in this way you can see here the height of cylinder is 1 meter. I repeat this question again. In this question, find the height of cylinder whose volume is 1.54 meter cube and the diameter of the base is 140 centimeters. So for this, first we find the radius of the cylinder in meter. This is equal to 0.7 meter. And after this, we use this formula to find the volume of cylinders. And the volume of cylinder is given 1.54 meters. We put the value. We here put the value of pi and r and simplify them. And after this, we get the value of h. H is the height of cylinder. This is clear. Now, now the next question, question number 5 is that question number 5 है the area of cross sections of a pipe is 5.4 centimeter square. The area of cross sections of a pipe is 5.4 centimeter square and water is pumped out of it at the rate of 27 kilometer per hour. Find in liters the volume of water which flows out of the pipe in 1 minute. So your time is given 1 minute. Area of cross sections of pipe, this is equal to given 5.4 centimeter square. If you change it in meter, then you get 5.4 divided by 100 into 100, or you can say 10,000. It's become meter square. Now, and length of pipe. How you find length of pipe? Because this is given the speed at the rate. Water is pumped out of it at the rate of 27 kilometer per hour. So this is the length of water which flows out of pipe in 1 minute. Length of water which flows out of pipe in 1 minute. This is equal to 27 by 60 kilometer per hour. And you can change it, then you get, if you multiply by 10,000, then you get, it's become a meters. But we need to find here volume of water which flows out of pipe in 1 minute. So let's see how to solve these questions. First we revision, after this we solve these questions. Okay, now this is question number 5 of this exercise 15.3. Question number 5. So first we write here area of cross section of pipe. Area of cross section of pipe. This is equal to what? This is equal to given 4.5 centimeter square. Okay, this is given, sorry, 5.4. This is given 5.4 centimeter square. If you change it to meter, then you get 5.4 by 100 into 100 meter square. This is clear. After this, we write the length of water which flow out of pipe in 1 minute. Length of water which flow. Length of water which flow out of pipe in 1 minute. Flows out of pipe in 1 minute. This is equal to what? This is equal to given 27 kilometer per hour. This is given 27 kilometer per hour. Or you can write it. This becomes 27 into 1000 divided by 60 meter per minute, because this is meters and we need to find the minute. This is clear now. So we need to find volume of water which flow out of pipe in 1 minute. Okay, volume of water, volume of cross section area into rate. If you multiply cross section area into rate, then you get your answer. Okay. So this is equal to we erase them. After this we find here. This is equal to, we can write 5.4 into 10,000 into 27 into 1000 divided by 60. Okay. You get it in meter cube. This is equal to 1230 cancel, and we get 5.4 into 27 divided by 600 meter cube. Okay. But you know very well, 1 meter cube is equal to how many liters? 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. So we have 5.4 into 27 divided by 600 into liter, 1000 liter. Clear? So 1000 liter. 1 meter cube is equal to how many liter? 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. If you can see 1 2 0 here and 9 times. If you multiply, this becomes 9, and if you multiply them, then you get 243 liters. 243 liters. This is a volume of water which flows out of pipe in 1 minute. This is equal to 243 liters. So student, I hope all of you understood this question. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.